How to turn off shorts on YouTube. I'm first going to show you how to do this on the iPhone, and then I'm also going to show you how to do this on an Android device. On the iPhone, first of all, open up the YouTube app. Then at the bottom, in the lower right corner of the screen, make sure to tap on your profile picture. Now in the upper right corner of the screen, tap on the gear symbol. This will open up Settings. Next, tap on General. Then scroll down and tap on Playback in Feeds. Make sure to change this to Off. Then go back and tap on Back again. And one more time. And then tap on Home in the lower left corner of the screen. You will then find the Shorts section. Now, in the upper right corner of the screen, every short has these 3 vertical dots. What you want to do now is to tap on the 3 vertical dots in the first shorts here. And then at the bottom, tap on Not Interested. This shorts will then disappear from your shorts feed. Now do this with all the other shorts as well. Once you have removed all the shorts here in the Shorts feed, close the YouTube application. You can do that by swiping up from the bottom until the middle, then let go, and then swipe it up with one finger. Then tap somewhere here in the empty area to go back to the home screen, and then launch the YouTube application again. And you will then see that in your feed here, there are no more YouTube shorts to be seen. And this is how you turn off and disable shorts on YouTube on the iPhone. Now let me show you how to turn off shorts on YouTube on an Android device. It actually works almost in the exact same way, but let me demonstrate. On your Android device, first of all, open up the YouTube application. Then in the lower right corner of the screen, make sure to tap on your profile picture where it says You. Next, in the upper right corner of the screen, tap on the gear symbol to open up the settings. Then on top, tap on General. Now tap on where it says Playback in Feeds. And select Off. Then go back by pressing on the arrow in the upper left corner of the screen. And then tap on this arrow again to get to the Overview screen. Now, in the lower left corner of the screen, tap on Home. Now you might need to have to scroll down a little bit to find the Shorts section. Once you've found that, for each short in the upper right corner of the screen, you will see those 3 vertical dots. Then, for the first short, tap on these 3 vertical dots, and at the bottom choose Not Interested. Now repeat this step for all the shorts that you can find here in the Shorts section. So, I will do this for the second short here as well. At the bottom, I choose Not Interested. And I will do the same with the 2 remaining shorts right here. Sorry, David Goggins. I have now removed all the shorts here from the Shorts section. Next, we're going to close the YouTube application. You can do that by pressing on this symbol right here at the bottom of your Android device. You will then see the open applications like this. Simply swipe up with one finger now to close them. Here is actually the YouTube application that we would like to close, so I simply swipe it up with one finger. I will leave the other applications open for now because it doesn't matter for the moment. So I simply tap somewhere here in the empty space to go back to the home screen. Now we're going to reopen the YouTube application. And you will then see that in the home section here, There are actually no more shorts to be seen, which is exactly what we wanted. And this is how you turn off and disable shorts on YouTube on Android. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more YouTube tutorials.